So, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how you can see your Infosys application status after interview. If you still waiting for your offer letter or your result, then you can visit this link and log in here. You can see your status. Okay, so I will give you the link in the description. Visit here. After visiting, you will be redirected to this page. Okay, then you have to give your credential. So I was given my Gmail ID at the time of registration. So that's why I'm going to log in through the Gmail. If you give in another credential, then you have to do the same credential. Okay, after clicking on the Google, it's automatically redirect to this page. Then I was applying for AC of campus recruitment on August month. Okay, August month drive. Then if you're not able to see this dialog box, click here my application, then you can see this. Okay, here I apply it, then review in progress, offer release, then offer accept, then join. So after offer letter, I just click here accept. There was a accept button, offer accept button. I was just click here and then offer when I accept the offer, and after that my onboarding start. Okay, you have to do the same. If you are still waiting for the offer letter, you can visit this link and you can check your application status. Okay, so guys, this was the short video for today. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you want to this types of helpful video.